Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome all my students from 5 Ibn Nafis for subject art. And today inshallah I'm going to show you the steps for the contrast images, especially for shapes. So I'm going to show you the step by step and what we need for the materials to done this artwork. Follow my steps. Okay, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So the first steps we need to have our drawing block. So I don't have drawing block, so you may use the A4 paper, so it be smaller. And also you need the marker, you need pencil and eraser and you need ruler. For me, I'm going to use a small ruler because my paper is A4 paper and the size is A4. If you are using A3 paper, so you may use a long ruler. Okay, the next one, we need the color pencil. So let's enjoy our artwork steps. First of all, now we need to draw our art frame, as you know, because as I say, my paper is A4 size, so I'm going to use a small paper because I need the space for my drawing. So now I'm going to draw my art frame. So this is how to draw our art frame. So as you see, so please make this smaller if you are using A4 paper. So, and here also I'm going to do my art frame, and also this side I'm going to turn my paper here, and this one also. So once you are done with this art frame, what you have to do, please write the day and the date and the topic. So by this one. Okay, now how we are going to apply our shapes to do the contrast. First of all, I need to divide this space to 2. So I need to measure how many here and then divide to 2. Now 18, I bring 18 cm divide by 2, it will be 9. So I need to divide this one to 9. So if you see here, I'm going to do it. It is 18.5. Wait, 18.5 divide by 2 equal to 9.25. So 9.25, 19. I will make it here in the middle. Okay, and here also 9.25. So after this, then I join the 2 marks to be here using my marker. Okay, I use my marker. So I divide to 2. And this side, I'm going to divide it to 3. So I'm going to calculate how many cm is 27. 27 divided by 3 equal to 9. So I need to divide to 9. So I take this one here 9, and here I bring to be here 9 cm, and also goes to here to we are going to connect the dots together. So 9 and here 9. So I bring my marker. So I draw the lines here. So you are going to have 6 boxes. Okay, the next one you need to find any shape that you have at your home. Like me, I want to do the circle. So I'm going to test which one the proper size for me. So if you saw this one, this is a bigger than this one, the circle for this size. So I prefer to take this one, so to have a space for me to color. So I take this one, the circle shape from this one, and then I'm going to draw the circle. So immediately you use the marker. Okay, so I'm going to do for the rest of the shapes. So we are going to have to be like this. So do it in the middle. Use immediately the marker. And also goes to here. So we are going to have the circle of the circles and the shapes. Two shapes now we have. So after this we are going to I'm going to show you how to do the contrast and using the color. Okay, now my drawing already done. Now it's time to color them and do the contrast. So every column you may use two color like this. If we are using this column, so I use this color to do the contrast, and this one can be another color like this to do the contrast. And this one, please don't repeat the color in each column. So this one, may I use the brown and the orange in the last column. Okay, this is how to do the contrast. Or you may use only one color to color all of them to be like this. Okay, if you see my contrast, so I'm using only the two color to color them. So I did the contrast here. So for here, this is the two color, and now I'm going to use 6 colors to do the contrast. So from each one I'm going to show you how to do this one. Okay, now so I'm using this purple in the circle, so I color this one here. Okay, this the purple is with this one. Okay, never mind. So I color this one. So now I done with this circle. So I use the green for the other space from here. So I color this side. Okay. Okay, now as you see, I'm done with this color. So how I'm going to do the contrast? So I circle this one. I use it with a dark purple. So I need to opposite this color. If I'm using this is a dark purple, the circle here should be green, not dark purple. Should be what? Green color. So I use here the green color to do the contrast. Okay. So I'm done to do the contrast for the circle. So I'm going to do for the square. So I'm going, if this is this one green, so that be the opposite is a purple. So here should be the dark purple. So if you see that one, I'm using ruler because I don't want the color to come out. Okay. By this one, I already done with the contrast this side, this column. So I will go to the next column. So another color. So don't repeat this one to this column. So you take another color. For example, I'm taking the blue and the red. The blue and red for this one. Okay, now I did the contrast for the second column. So I will go for the third column. Okay, now I am ready with my artwork for the contrast images. So in this artwork, I use 4 colors. As you see, each column has 2 color. For this one, I use only 1 color. So it is optional to you. For if you want to do the contrast on the shape, so you may use 6 colors here. I see each column 2 color, or you may use 2 colors. So you are going to do the contrast. So this is for shape. If you want to do the contrast for hands like this, can you see? So the contrast for hands, you have to use if you use 3 colors, so you keep repeating this one and rotate. So on the turn, so if you start here red, so it should be blue, green, and then you repeat red, green, blue. Don't mix here. So you need to do as it is. So as you see in my contrast on the hand, so I did the background light on the hand and make it darker. I just make pressure on the color pencil so to make it darker. So it is depends your creativity. This is all for our lesson. This is for contrast for hand. This is a contrast for shapes. So two way you may use two color, you may use 6 colors. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.